Yeah.
Today in our kitchen, we'll be making a really easy recipe of 5 minutes cheesy veg pasta. It is so easy to make and it is done just in 5 minutes. It is super quick, just when you have a craving of pasta, and you can just make it right away. And it requires only a few ingredients which will be available anyway. So first of all, we're gonna let some water boil. I've taken about 2 glasses of water here. It depends how much pasta you're boiling. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of salt. Then I'm going to add macaroni. You can use any other type of pasta as well, but I'm using macaroni. I'm using half a packet of macaroni. Then you're going to cover it and let it cook. You must always read on the packet of your pasta how long you must cook it for. You must never overcook your pasta. Mine says about 7 to 9 minutes, so I'm going to let it cook for about 9 minutes. Covered. Then I've taken about 2 tablespoons of bell pepper chopped, onion chopped, garlic and ginger paste, about 2 tablespoons of that as well. They must all be finely and thinly chopped. Then in a pan, take about 2 tablespoons of oil. And we're going to add in the onions. And we're going to fry till they become soft, but you must not let it change color. They must just become soft. Now we're going to let it cook for just 2 to 3 minutes. Then we're going to add in the paste, the ginger and garlic paste, and we're going to let it cook then. When you see they have become a little bit lighter in color, then we're going to add other stuff in it. But for now, we're going to let it cook. Now we're going to add some red chili powder. This is according to taste, how much spicy you eat. I added about 1 tablespoon. Then a pinch of turmeric powder to get it a nice yellow color. And some salt. But remember, we already added salt in the pasta, so we don't need to add so much here. Now we're going to mix it nicely till it forms a nice paste and everything is mixed well. Then we're going to add a little bit of water so it becomes a nice paste also. And we're going to stir continuously so it doesn't burn. When you see everything is mixed well, then we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. You can use tomato puree as well, but tomato sauce just has a nice taste to it and I like it. So now I'm going to mix it again. As I said, you only need a few things that are always available in every house, and that's when your pasta will be ready in just a few minutes. Now we're going to add in the bell pepper and mix it for a few minutes only, because we don't want the bell pepper to dissolve. We just want it to mix nicely here. Then we're going to remove it from the heat. Now we're going to check our pasta, how far it is. You can see it's cooked. After 10 minutes our pasta is perfectly cooked. Now we're going to strain the water and let it cool down before we add it into the spices. We're going to let the water completely strain from it. Now we're going to add the pasta all in at once and mix properly. You can see I mix it properly. You must make sure that it's completely mixed and it's mixed well, so the taste of the spices and everything is everywhere in the pasta and not just at the bottom or on the top. At this point the heat is very low. And now we're going to add 2 slices of cheese. You can add more if you like, if you're a cheese lover. I'm adding cheddar cheese and I'm adding slices of that, but you can add mozzarella cheese as well or any other cheese of your choice. Then we're going to let it melt a bit and then mix it all around the pasta. And we're going to let it melt a bit. And there we go, our pasta is ready and we are going to dish it out now. It smells so delicious, the cheese melting and all the spices, and I'm really hungry and I can't wait to have it. So now for the garnishing, we're going to add a bit of parsley. You can add oregano as well. It's all up to you. And there we go, our cheesy veg pasta is ready. You can add chicken or any mince to it if you like, but this is how I like it. It's done in such little time. So please do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.